Hi guys, welcome back. So we're working on getting these cabinet drawers finished up, getting them all sanded. Those are the bottoms. You won't even see these, but I'm so happy with these things. I never thought I'd be able to get cabinets like these in the Philippines. But I told them what I wanted and they made it. Wasn't that hard to do, right? They look pretty good, right?
Yeah.
We had
Painting.
to sand these down to get them to fit. Now we just gotta do the painting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Only to fix it.
They all fit good.
Only one is fix it. The core is no. They can.
You had to use the planer.
Yeah.
And then you sand it down after.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Finish the paint. No problem. It's
Yeah,
okay.
you can put them right in.
Yeah.
Hopefully it'll be finished soon.
No more 1 day for this to.
Yeah.
They can work.
Yeah. But these big ones, the pots and pans are gonna go in here. You see these big ones? Kitchen island. It's pretty much all done. Kitchen is a mess. I'm not gonna show it because we have no place to put everything until these cabinets are done. So the only thing we have to do is we got to sand this down. I don't like the color. So that's, when he's done with that, he's going to sand this back down to the grain. And we got to figure out what the heck we're going to do for the stain. Because we just can't get it right. We can't seem to find the right look. I would like to do it clear, but I don't think there's too much wood to have it all clear. My idea is to have some type of a stain here and here. Paint this cross white. Stain. She wants this part clear coated, and then these clear coated. All the tracks are in. Ready to go. For the drawers just have to be painted. These are half-elite tracks. Not too expensive, but they're nice. Nice tracks. Pretty heavy duty. Alright. I don't know. Couldn't ask for anything better than this. Pots and pans, utensils, maybe some dishes. These will be all the utensils. I think maybe we'll put more dishes in here. Canned goods, pots, pans, more stuff for dishes, cleaning supplies, microwave. And then we'll have them make beautiful, nice wood floating shelves here. And then it's done. Just waiting for the dining room table, which will go here. It's really a hot one today. That's Lynn's auntie. She takes care of the baby. Right now the baby's with Lynn, probably either sleeping or playing. We like to give auntie a break, 3 or 4 times, maybe more, throughout the day. Cabinets are looking good, I'm telling you. This kitchen gonna rival any other kitchen in the U.S. that I know of when it's all finished. Just gotta get it done, and then get to cleaning. Get rid of all this dust. I can't wait. Dishwasher works really good. Got my 3-prong outlets, work excellent. I got outlets everywhere, guys. There, here. I got this guy, has the I think the cabinets come out really good. I love the look. I love the look. I love how they're made with planks and they're put together. These things weigh a ton, so it's hard wood. We made everything with a good quality wood. This last cabinet, he ran out of wood, so he used the wood that he had at his place. Which is fine with me. You're not going to see the bottoms of the cabinet. I love it. I absolutely love it. Yeah. They keep putting more trash here. We clean it and then they put trash here again.
Yeah.
And then it's ridiculous.
Go back.
Yeah, every time we clean it, someone puts more trash here.
Yeah. Is that good?
It's crazy.
Yeah.
So we just got a few more bags that we got to spread around. So Sammy's gonna finish spreading a few more bags of the fill that we have. We'll put it right here. The more and more I drive over the driveway, it gets flatter and flatter and smoother and smoother. It's gonna be nice. Really, really, really nice. I'm very, very happy what we built here. You know, I really love it. Came out fantastic. Really did. Can't wait to get this boat in the water. Fishing videos. Fishing videos coming up next. I'm under this beautiful Gemelina tree. When the guys get caught up with all their work, we're gonna put an outdoor shower here. It's gonna be nice. I might just sit underneath it all day long. Just come out here with my bathing suit and just hose myself down with the shower out here. And eventually there'll be a bamboo seating area wrapped around this tree. But we're getting there. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Check out Kyla's channel, Kyla's Vlog in the Philippines.